With so many different types of pans out there, it's difficult to see which ones have a PFAS coating. So how do you actually recognize pans that contain PFAS? And which types of pans don't have it? And what exactly is PFAS anyway? My name is Jimmy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly which pan you want in your kitchen. PFAS is a collective name for chemical substances that repel water, oil, and dirt. You won't just find them in pans, but also in things like food packaging or rainwear. When it comes to pans, temperature is the main factor. Above roughly 260 degrees, these substances can be released, and that's definitely not good for you. But don't worry just yet, because temperatures above 260 degrees, well, by then your food is already burning to a crisp, and nobody wants that. You can often recognize a pan with PFAS by its dark, plastic-like non-stick coating. There are also versions with a titanium-reinforced layer. These contain fluoropolymer and titanium dioxide. That might sound tough and fancy, but it still counts as PFAS. So if you see a classic black or titanium coating, there's a good chance it contains PFAS. A ceramic coating, on the other hand, is PFAS-free. That coating is actually made from natural materials and is generally a bit harder than the standard non-stick coating. This means your pan will stay nice for a bit longer, and you can cook with less oil or butter, which of course is better for your health and makes cleaning up easier too. Cast iron with an enamel coating also doesn't contain PFAS, and you'll often see it used in things like casserole dishes. Before using it for the first time, you'll need to season the pan. You heat the pan well, add a little oil, and that way a natural layer forms that's perfect for cooking. After cooking, just rinsing with water is usually enough. Pans without the coating are also PFAS-free. They can handle high temperatures really well, but you do need to use enough oil or butter so your food doesn't stick. These are often stainless steel pans. With proper care, they last a long time and stay looking great. So there are lots of different types of pans to prepare your meal with. Whether you go for ceramic, cast iron, or stainless steel without a non-stick coating. The most important thing is that the pan matches your cooking style. I hope this video has helped you figure out which pan you want to use in your kitchen. Enjoy your meal.